Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Betterment for retirement goals, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Betterment, visit their official website. Once on the homepage, click the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Next, click Create Account. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link. After verifying your email, log into your new Betterment account. The platform will guide you through a series of questions. These questions help assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. Take your time to answer accurately for the best experience. Once you've completed the questionnaire, Betterment will recommend a portfolio for you. Review the suggested portfolio and adjust it if necessary. You can customize the allocation of stocks and bonds. When satisfied with your choices, click Continue. Next, you'll need to link your bank account. Provide your bank details to facilitate deposits. This step also requires entering your routing and account numbers. After linking your bank account, specify how much you want to invest initially. You can set up recurring contributions as well. Choose the frequency and amount for automatic deposits. Review all your selections before confirming the setup. Once everything looks good, click Start Investing. Congratulations! You are now registered with Betterment for your retirement goals. Take a moment to explore the tools and resources available on the platform. Consider setting reminders to review your progress regularly. Betterment also provides educational articles to enhance your investing knowledge. Stay informed and enjoy your investing journey with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.